Hello students. So in this class we're not gonna study much. We're just gonna do some gossips, okay? So we need some topic to gossip, right? Hmm. So as I said, we're not gonna learn anything. It's just a fun class, okay? A 10 minutes class, not so long, 30 minutes or 40 minutes like that. Just a 10 minutes class, we will do gossip and the class will end. So we need a topic to gossip. Can you give me some topic to gossip about? Okay. So, to gossip with me, you need to know English because I am speaking in English, right? And you also study in an English medium school. So, you need to know English. So, English is a must, right? Huh. So, let's see. What topic can we gossip about? I can tell you a story, right? I can tell you a rhymes or a story, okay? And I will say that in English. And when I say that in English, you need to understand that. So before you understand that, you need to learn English. So English is a language for communication, you all know. So I'm talking English, and to gossip with me, you need to also talk in English, right? So you means you all have your hobbies, right? Hobbies, you all have your own hobbies. You love doing something, you hate doing something, you have your choice between whom you love the most. So we're going to talk about that, okay? So this is basically a communication class, you can say. Communication. Communication. All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna communicate. Okay. Now see. Huh. So suppose I don't know you, okay? And you also don't know me. I am your new teacher in this school. So how you will introduce if I ask you to introduce yourself? You will say, suppose from the class I choose a student. I choose a student and say, you stand up and say about something about yourself or introduce yourself. How you will do that? First you will say your name, that my name is, then say your name, whatever your name is. Okay, then you will say I read in class. Obviously, I am your teacher, so I know which class you are reading in. I am coming to take your class, so you don't need to say that. You will just say ki my name is whatever your name is. If your name is Aradhya, you will say Aradhya. If your name is Riyan, you will say Riyan. If your name is Anish, you will say Anish. If your name is Shaunak, you will say Shaunak, right? So, whatever your name is, you will say, my name is that. Okay? Not that, you will say your particular name. Suppose I am introducing myself. What I will say? My name is that. No, I will say my name. Okay? So, I am introducing myself to you. So, I will say like this. My name is Adishita. My name is Adishita and I am your new teacher. Which teacher? English teacher. I am your new English teacher. Alright. So this is called introduction. Now you will introduce how you will introduce yourself to your teacher. You will say your name, then your hobbies, what you like to do, what you don't like to do, right? So if I ask you, tell me about your favorite game, not computer game or video games, like the outdoor games, or you can say indoor games, like Ludo, Carom, these are indoor games, chess, and outdoor games are badminton, which you need to go out and play, are called outdoor games, which you play at home are called indoor games. So there are two types of games, actually three. The three number is video game. That is a type of indoor game, but that doesn't need a physical movement or like that. You just play on your computer or your laptop or on your phone. You play video games. So Indoor games. See, indoor games. I wrote MES. But some people say game and some people say games, right? When they say games, when I say games, instead of game, GAME. Okay? This indicates one, only one game. If I add S in it, it means many. It means many, right? So, let me teach you this first, okay? We will know the use of one and many in a word. Suppose I say pen, that means I mean only one pen, not more than one. If there are many pens, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we say many, right? So for that we say pens, PENS. We add a S with it. So pen plus S, pens. That means many pens. Okay, these are pens. Okay, so these are pens. There are many pens. Okay, so pen and adding S to it means many. Many means more than one. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, up to 100, or more than 100, 200, right? So there are a lot of numbers. Right? Now what if I say pen? Not adding S to it. Pen. Pen means only one pen. Pens means many pens. So in the same way, if I say game, means only one game. And games means a lot of games. A lot of games. S, right? So a lot. One, many. Suppose a tree. I'm not saying trees. A tree means one tree, right? So for one we say tree. When there are more tree or many tree, we say trees. We say trees. TREE and we add a S in it. So trees. Trees. Then stone. You collect stone from somewhere. If you go to Digha or Puri, you collect some pebbles, stones from there, right? Beautiful stones. Or there are many types of stones. There are normal stones. There are special stones. So stone. Stone means only one. Means you are saying one, only one. Okay, means there are only one stone. If there are many stones, what you will say? You will say stones. STONES. So in the case of one, there is no S at the end. In the case of many, there is S in the end. So basically, a tree means only one tree. Okay, only one tree. But trees means more than one, correct? More than one. That can be 2, 3, 4, 5, anything, right? Just know that more than one. Okay? So stones. Next example. Next you can say hen. 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 So you saw hen. You get to see hen when you go to a chicken store. You see hen there. A lot of hen, white hen. So hens. Okay. Hens. Hen means one. Hens means many. Okay, many. And if you say hen, that means only one hen. If you say hens, that means more than one hens. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, anything. Okay. Next we have apple. So apple means only one apple, and apples means many apples, means more than one. So you write apple. APPLE, and at the end we write S. Good job. So this is the use of one and many. Right? Tree, trees. Stone, stones. Hens, hens. Apple, apples. So apple means one apple, apples means many apples. So adding an S means more than one. And if there is no S in the sentence or in the word, not sentence, in a word, sentence is something that you form using words. But word is only single word, right? And letters are called these, S, T, O, N, these are called letters, okay? See, I will now say word, letters and sentence. Words are this: tree, book, books. These are words. These are words. Okay? These are called words. WORDS. Apple. Then ball. These are words. These are words. 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 Okay? So these are called words. Okay? Not only this, there are more words like which indicates only this means a together letter formed by adding letter. Okay? Suppose a ball, BALL. So these are words. And letter, by letter, you can say letter. Letter means actually alphabet. Okay? So some says alphabet, some say letters. It's up to you what you will say, alphabet or letter. Okay? So letter are CTER. Letters means these. A, B, C, D. These are letters. Okay? These are letters. Now sentence. Sentence is this. Sentence is this. See. My name is Adishita. So this is a sentence. Okay? This is called a sentence. Word, these each are words. Letters M, Y, N, A, these are letters. So now it's clear to you which are letters, which are words, and what is sentence. This is it. Okay? So this is it for today. We will discuss some more tomorrow. Okay? So you can say that's it for class. Now we can listen to some story, right? Let me see some story for you. I will say a small story for you and a funny story so that you all love listening to that story, right? You all have heard the story of the crow and the pitcher, right? The crow and the pitcher. If not, then here you can listen to. one summer afternoon, a thirsty crow. So when you're thirsty, you need water, right? So the crow is thirsty, it needs water. A thirsty crow was flying around here and there, flying. In search of water. You need water to drink, right? So the crow was also thirsty for water. On summer days, when you go out, you are so thirsty, you feel so hot, your throat gets dry, you need water to drink, right? So the crow was like that only. It was flying and searching for water because it was thirsty, it needs water. The ponds were dry. The summer was so hot, the season was so hot that in that hot summer, the ponds also dried up. The ponds also got dried up. Okay, so there are no water in the pond. Okay, and so were the wells. Wells look like this. Wells are also have gotten dried up, right? So this is the well. This is how the well looks. This is a well, and this is a pond where there are lots of water, but due to this summer, the well and as well as the pond got dried up. There are no water present in the pond as well as the well. At last he saw a picture and flew down. Picture means this. It looks like this. This is called a picture. Okay? This thing is called a picture. When he reached near it, then the crow So this is the crow. When he flew down, this is the wings of the crow. Okay? These are the wings of the crow. So when he flew down near the pitcher, he saw that the pitcher had very little water in it, very little. So the water was this much, okay? This much water was in the pitcher. But the crow couldn't, the crow have a beak. Every bird have a beak. It cannot go inside that, right? Because the mouth of the pitcher was small, right? It will get stuck over there. So he couldn't drink the water, right? So let's see what happened next, okay? He peeked inside the pitcher, but his beak did not reach the water. Like I said, he had a beak. He tried to drink that water, but he couldn't drink that water because it was so low that he couldn't get it. He stretched his neck. Still he couldn't reach. He stretched his neck like this and still he couldn't reach. And again getting up like this, again doing this, but still he couldn't get the water to drink. The crow became sad. He became sad that he couldn't drink that water. Now what he will do? See what he will do. When he looked around, the crow looked here and there and up and down. So when he looked around, what he saw? He found some pebbles lying near. He saw some pebbles lying. Pebbles means small stones, you can say, called pebbles. Okay? Lying there. Okay? Seeing the pebbles, he thought of an idea. Seeing those pebbles, stones, he got an idea. What idea? He picked them up and put it in the pitcher. And when he kept putting that stones in the pitcher, the water risen up. Okay, he picked them one by one with his beak and dropped them into the pitcher. He picked all these pebbles and dropped it in the pitcher. What happened next? Soon the water came up, right? So when he's putting the pebbles inside the pitcher, the water is rising, and the water came up, and the crow drank the water and flew away. Okay? So this was the story, the thirsty crow. This is the crow, this is the picture. He put the pebbles in it and the water rised up like this, and finally he could drink the water. So that was the story. So how was the story? It was good, right? So for everything you have to work hard. To get something you need to work hard. Okay? So that was the story for today. I hope you like the story. And also keep practicing those English grammars which I gave to you, so that you can also speak this fluently English with me, right? So